Level 1 Food Hygiene and Safety is an essential introductory course designed to raise awareness of the fundamental principles of food hygiene in the workplace. It provides the fundamental knowledge required to ensure safe food handling practices, as understanding the issues is crucial to preventing foodborne illness and maintaining hygiene standards in various environments. The Level 1 Food Hygiene and Safety course from Care Skills Training is ideal for beginners and those seeking a fundamental understanding of food hygiene principles. If you are an individual in the UK working in low-risk food handling roles where a general awareness of food safety is required, this online training is perfect for you. This includes food service assistants, kitchen porters, catering or hospitality support staff, care home workers involved in food service, volunteers handling prepackaged food, and support staff in nurseries or schools. It introduces students to food safety legislation and common causes of food contamination. At Care Skills Training, we offer CPD Accredited courses to meet industry expectations and regulatory guidelines in the UK. We deliver courses entirely online, allowing learners to study at their own pace. Enroll today and gain a strong understanding of food safety and hygiene. To learn more, read the description below and visit our website.